We're in the main sewer at this moment. Right here, where it ties into the main sewer, we have a little clump of roots trying to grow. Alright. Working our way back out the main sewer. At 83 feet, 9 inches, we encountered our first pile of tree roots right there, and the water's kind of backing up on it a little, causing the camera to go underwater. Totally submerged underwater for a few feet. Come back up. That could be a belly in the pipe, but that won't. What the main problem is won't be known until those tree roots are cleared. Okay, at 79 feet, we encountered more tree roots. 78 feet, 77 feet, tree roots. They have a tree in the front yard which is causing these issues. So, annual routing of the main sewer is suggested. Alright. Sewer looking pretty clear there. We have water flowing through because the downspouts are connected to the main sewer. Little standing water at the bottom of the sewer. Nothing bad, just right there at a joint. Totally submerged underwater at 60 feet. Could be a belly in the pipe. Doesn't look too bad though. Little standing water. Pipe may have settled a little bit in between joints, but nothing's not causing a major backup. Alright, a couple of dips in the pipe. There's a culprit right there. We pulled out several pieces of paper towel. So I made a suggestion to the customer not to put toilet paper into the sewer. I mean, not to put paper towels in the sewer. That right there looks like a potato. Who knows how that got in there? We'll try to push that out. That's at 40 feet. That's going to be hard to get. Alright, the sewer looks pretty good. There's an entrance of one of the downspouts right there. Tying into the sewer. There's some more paper towels. Hopefully that will push through the sewer eventually. Get enough water running. I'll try to grab it with my rod. But that's the big issue right now. It's the tree roots stopping the paper towels from flowing out. Alright, we're at 19 feet. 18 feet. Got another downspout where it ties in right there. Coming in. Dumping into the sewer. That's where the majority of the running water is coming from. That just goes to show that their drain tile is running pretty good. Alright, we just got to flush from the toilet. See that water come down shortly.